Yo, this video is going to apply to 99 to '02 Silverado and 2000 to 2006 Tahoe and Suburban. Canadian Casey decided to do some off-road and bust out his fog lights on his Silverado. He's got her tied up pretty good here. Zip tie, bolts back in over there. But we're going to go ahead and give him some new LED fog lamps. See what you guys think. And the noise in the background, that's just Sammy Dog watching the dog channel in the break room. Here's the package right here. Came in, I think they were 55 bucks on Amazon. So, boom, comes with some washers, instructions, and the lights. Let's get down to it on this install. They are ready to plug and play. No ballast, no fancy wiring. Good to go. We're just gonna come up underneath the car. There's the fog lamp all busted out. Here's the bulb here. You're just gonna unclip it. Just like that. Throw that on the ground. And if you come up here, there are 2 bolts on the top of each fog lamp. Right there and there. Come up from the top. I was able to get a ratchet in there. I was gonna made sure that they weren't gonna snap or anything, and time to pull them the rest of the way out. A couple of 10 millimeters. All right, less than 5 minutes, they're out. Here's our adjustment right here on the back with this wing nut. Once you put them in, you can easily reach down, spin that wing nut to adjust which way you want them to angle. Simple. All right, let's pop them in there. Right there, your 2 bolts are going back in. You can see there's a adjustment slot on the top. This one's the left-hand side, stamped with an L. All right, we got the first one in. Right here, plastic's off, and it's not the perfect fit because it's a little distorted from the hit. Bumper's a little misshapen. It's a little tight at the top, but it fit into the slot still. See how we do on this side. That obviously took a little more of a hit. See if we gotta do anything to it to get it to fit in there. All right, we're all hooked up, guys, and I might have to have Canadian Casey do a little bit of more work on his plastic under bumper here. So this one looks like it's going off to the side a little too much, and I can't get it to go over anymore, but it's all good. We got our wiring hooked up here, just clips right in. I guess it's time for a test drive and see how these babies look. Guys, I'm gonna let you judge for yourselves. Here we go. Regular lights on. Now it's time to turn those foggy boys on. See what they look like. You go up in your truck, and there's a button right here. That's your fog light button. You press it. Ooh, that one is way off angle. Not bad though. Looks like the left side is looking pretty good. We're gonna have to do some adjustments to this right side. I think that's pretty obvious because of the gap here. This plastic bumper is down some, so we're gonna have to lift this bumper up. See, as I lift up on it, it gets down lower. So we're gonna need to do some adjustments. You don't want that shining right in somebody's eye as you're, you know, coming over a hill or something. But let's go take it for a drive and see how bright they are. And I already installed these for Canadian Casey and got them for him so he can finish off the rest. Pro tips for the ladies out there. A good indication of the caliber of a man. Did I say caliber or caliber? Caliber of a man. How full does he leave his gas tank? Look at that. Casey, he's a good man. Here we go. We got a nice dark back road. Regular headlights. And foggy, boys. Yeah, we're gonna need some adjustment. Off, on, off, on. Pretty nice lights. Need some adjustment though, that's for sure. So there you have it, folks. Nice, cheap, bright fog lights. Fits all those makes and models. And after Casey buttons up that bumper, we can adjust that left one up a little and the right one down a lot. Take care, and as always, we'll have a link in the comments. See ya.